Okay, hello, good evening, depending on the time you are seeing this video. So this is a short tutorial on the new interface we are using for Flow Health Academy. So I'm just going to run you guys through this different process on how to navigate on the website. So basically you come in and you'd sign in. So you with your various password, you come in, you log in. This is what you are going to see. You will see your name here. If your name is Mr. Ben Bassi, your name will show Ben Bassi here. So now we're just going to go down, scroll, or explore it. So what course are you currently taking? You can see that we have various courses available which you have to enroll first. So you are currently enrolled in the cyber security. So we're going to come to the course that you are enrolled in. So now we're going to start. What does the course look like? So module 1, the handout has been in place there. So all the materials are here for you. Just have to read through it. Then you have your videos to watch. So yeah,
some of them, they are different types. Some of
videos
today could be so this is the interesting part, just like you want to interact with your classmates who enjoy this class, just come and add in time into this. Yes, we are going to share it. Everybody's going to see and say, oh, I just posted this. Then things happen, just come and like, oh, this is July. So we're also doing the community over here. So let's go back to how to go to the course page. So this is the security course. These are your courses. So going to the community that I said, we're also doing a community over here. So you can see, oh, so now you can see your course that online. You can say hello, you can talk to your classmates through this app. So like it's not communicating over here. Another thing about the app is that about the site is that you get to like follow each other, follow each other. That's another beautiful thing. Easily accessible, we have it either if you're any company, our Facebook link has been placed there, our Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube page has been placed there. This is our official email address, and you can always relay your complaints to us at a very easy and straightforward site. If you have